here I have the Wyze plugs, and this is a 2-pack. This is basically a smart plug, so you could actually plug this into the wall and you could turn on and turn off whatever you plug into the wall. In our case, we're going to use a lamp, so you could turn off and turn off a lamp as long as you have Wi-Fi connected to that home. And you could turn it off from anywhere, so I could be on vacation in the Bahamas and then I could turn off and turn on any light I want with this switch in San Diego, California. So we're going to take a look at some of the specs and we're actually going to put it into use. You guys, I love Wyze. I have Wyze security cameras, so this is the reason that I went with the smart plug from Wyze, because I love everything that they have. So we're going to keep it rolling. Okay, you guys, let's take a look at some of the specs before we actually open this up. So like I said, it says remote access with the Wyze app. So as long as you have the Wyze app, you're going to be good to go. It's either Google Play or it's the Apple Store. So iPhone and Androids, you could actually go ahead and download it and use it on both. So I do like that. So it does have vacation mode. It is easy to set up. There is no hub required, because the thing about the hub is the outdoor security system, the wireless one, does need a hub. This one does not need a hub. Okay, so the cool thing is you can set timers, schedules, and automation. So like, let's just say like at 5 o'clock p.m. you want your lights to go on, you could actually set this up. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. All right, you guys, there you have it. These are the actual plugs right here. Not too many moving parts. We do have the manual right here, and then that's the inside of the box right here. So I did want to point out that there is a status light in the upper right hand corner right here, and there is an on and off button right here, and then that is the standard plug right here for the US. So that's that right there. So we're gonna go ahead and plug a lamp into it, and we're gonna go ahead and set it up on our Wyze app and see how it works. You guys could see it is flashing blue right here, so that means it's time to set it up with our Wyze app. So you guys could see we are on the app now, and it's that easy just to set up a Wyze plug. All we have to do is click on that and follow the steps. Alright guys, so we paired it with the Bluetooth, we connected it to the Wi-Fi, and then now we're updating the firmware. So it is very simple. That is the last step. So now we're going to go ahead and plug a lamp into it and turn it off and on with the comfort of our app right here. Alright guys, so I do have my lamp right here. All we have to do is plug our lamp in just like so, and we're going to be able to turn it off and on with our app. Let me show you guys. Just like so. And if we want to turn it off, it's going to be the same thing. We're just going to have to hit that button again. Okay, and that's how simple it is, you guys. I do want to point out that when it's on, you do see the blue light right here. You guys can see the blue light is on. So we do have the off switch over here, so we can actually turn it off by the button too. Just like so, we just turned it off. And then we could turn it on by that same button right here on the side. You guys, I definitely recommend picking up the Wyze plug. I ordered mine off of Amazon and I love it.